Hi, hi guys. Magkakanta po tayo ng Don't Stay Awake. Alam ko na po yan kasi pinatis ko na po sa YouTube. Kaya kakantay natin ngayon na may sukli na kagaling-galing para may beatbox. Beatbox yan. Party may beatbox pa. Joke lang. Kunin ko yung laway ko. Ulit natin. Ang pangit. Hindi ko kasi mabasa dito. I get you upon going out of bed. Okay lang, bulol. Okay. Pag sinawangan nyo ako, lintik kayo sa akin. 1, 2, 3, go. Ulit natin. Naiiyak na ako. Kasi hindi ko mabasa yung I make a coffee cup. I make a cup of coffee for your head. Ay, on pala, on. Sige na nga. Ulit natin pangat. Di ko mangkap. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't to bed. And make a cup of coffee on your head. And get you open going out of bed. Thank you. Okay na yan ha. Nabasa ko na yung make a cup of coffee on your head. And get you open going out of bed. Ulit natin yung parang ganito yung boses natin. Don't stay awake. Ang cute yun kaysa sa dito. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed and make a cup of coffee for on your head. And get you up and going out of bed. Thank you. Nagawa ko na. Mag-follow na kayo dyan. Ha? Susuntukin ko kayo pag di kayo. Dito daddy ko. Dito daddy ko. Dito daddy ko. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming.